Ek gaan nou my hare sny. Trim en 'n keratin treatment gou doen. Ek hoop julle dag is lekker Sofie. Goeiemôre. Ek stap hier by die mall. Maar ek gaan nou my hare laat doen. Ek gaan vir julle wys hoe lyk ek as dit klaar is. Damn, hoe lyk ek so wit vandag? Of is dit net die shading? Maar ek is by die mall in Temecula en ek gaan verseker Old Navy toe die weekbroeke van my koop. Ja, maar ek gaan vir Luigi gaan sien. Luigi is my nuwe hare mens. So ons gaan kyk hoe dit uitwerk. En jy weet ek like nie dat iemand my hare doen eerste keer nie. Of sny nie, maar ons sal maar sien. Vat 'n kans, you know. Ek raak altyd kan nie vir ewig bang wees nie. As ek my hare opfok, het sal net teruggroei. So, hier is ons Solar Salons. Ja. So die is 'n klomp salons wat hulle het. Jy kan 'n besigheid dan rent jy die plek, 'n kamer van hulle. It's a quite ideal, hoor. Hy is in nommer 24. So het is maar kyk. 1980. Baie nice. En jy kan mense die hairdresser laat hulle nail studios. Is 'n klomp businesses hier so. 19 is rond 21, 24. So ja, hier so 23, 24. Laat ek julle wys hier so sê. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Julle, ek weet nie hoe dit lyk want die camera is baie klein, ek is op my GoPro. Maar ek gaan nou my hare sny, maar die ding is die huis nie in die area en unfortunately die seat wat moet daar pas. Ek weet nie hoe hy my hare gaan was nie, maar ons sal maar sien wat gebeur. Maar hy is baie nice hoor, baie vriendelik. So, ons sal sien hoe dit werk. Miskien is die my forever hairdresser. Want hy travel ook, hy kon na jou huis toe en alles. Give my language. Julle, my hare word gesny. Ek kan nie wag om te sien nie. Hy sê dit is soos 'n butterfly cut. So ons gaan sien hoe dit lyk. Hoop vir my maar die beste sodat mooi uit kan kom. Ja. Luigi, say hi to everybody.
Hi. Hi from California.
Ek hoop julle dag gaan goed. Maar ja, ek kan nie wag om met alles stryd te eet en dinner as die, want die voel soos 'n afro die hele tyd.
So I cut to the shape of your head so that every single strand, as it grows out, will grow out evenly and according to the way your hair naturally grows.
Yeah.
So you'll have a much easier time growing out your hair because
Yeah.
you mentioned that you wanted to grow longer.
Yes, yeah.
So I did the outline, and once the outline was done, now I proceeded to comb all the hair together. Then we put it together, bring it up, and from the shortest here, which is the length, and then like the part up here that was broken. So to connect these two,
Okay.
I brought these two together and I just cleaned it.
Okay.
And then I dropped it, and I'm looking at how it's following.
Yeah, it's pretty.
It's not choppy. I don't want it at all choppy. I want
Yeah.
it just flowy.
Julle, ons het dit uitgefigure. Daar was so 'n stepstoel ding. Hey daar. Was there the last time.
K18 is one of the leading products right now.
Yeah, for the keratin treatment.
It's what it is.
Oh, not just overall, you mean?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's a peptide.
Oh. Oh my God, that feels so good.
The second shampoo is probably gonna be a little more.
Yeah. This is the look I hate. It's like once they've washed you and your face, you know, like you have this thing, the cape around you.
Oh,
It's like,
it's temporary. Just for a minute.
you guys, I was like, my ass hurts. Let me go get my my hemorrhoid pillow in the car. So I'm walking out with a big old afro because he's in the middle of doing my hair. So, oh my God. Let me go grab my pillow. Oh my God. Look at this hair. All this afro. Can't wait to get inside so you can finish my hair. Oké, ik heb nog gedaan. Oké, gaat ik. Ik ga gewoon in die kar. Ik heb nou net klaargemaakt. Dan gaat gewoon in die kar. Kijk hoe lijkt het. Ik voel soos dit weer moet gewas gewees het, man. Sien julle, dit lyk vaal. Ja, ek weet nie. Okay, Luigi, I'm sorry, but I'm very particular about my hair, and it is a little dull. He did tell me to wait 2 weeks, but I started doing it myself, and it looks a little better. So I think I'm gonna do my whole head, and then I'll wash it in the 1 week. I have to wait a week to wash it, and then I'll do that because I can't. So I came home and I flat ironed my own hair. It's still a little dull, but it's I think it looks a little better. Straighter. And then from everything that I've read online, you do have to wait a week before you wash it again. So Luigi, I'm trusting you. So we'll see how this turns out after the wash.